Gonna show a quick video today on my 3-point bandsaw built a few years back. Just got a 3-point attachment so I can move it around with the tractor. Got a little small Briggs & Stratton engine that runs into a right angle drive gearbox, and then I built the rest of the frame and the pulley system all myself. It's just got two, get that out of the way, it's got two 12-inch pulleys, top and bottom, that run the bandsaw, and I've got a metal cutting bandsaw blade on there. Just in case you hit a nail or a staple or a piece of wire or something, it's not going to ruin that blade. Been cutting for about an hour now and got a pretty good little pile of kindling started and a big pile of brush. Just been doing some tree trimming and spring cleaning around here. So I'm gonna get this over. Get this full picture of it here, and it's going in the cart. I'll get this turned on and show you what it does. to work really good. Built this in 2013, so this is my 7th year using it. Cut up quite a few trailer loads of small wood and stuff, and this beats leaning over trying to do all this with a chainsaw, and you don't have to worry about, you know, going in the ground or hitting a rock or hitting the dirt, dulling the chain or anything like that. So thanks for watching.